Welcome everybody to Carol's Art Room. Today's video I'm going to do a couple of simplistic blooms. Well, maybe one, maybe another one if I have time, but on these 6x6 tiles. I really like how they turn out, so I'm going to try some Christmassy colors like red and green. I've got Mater Lake by Amsterdam. I've got medium red by Amsterdam. I've got a peridot green by this one here. It's just a craft paint folk art. I've got another light green. This is Amsterdam yellow green. And I also have a medium green, pale green by Meaden Paints. And a little bit of magenta possibly. So let's get you down and I'll show you how I do them. All right, here we go. Let's get started. Also, I just wanted to thank everybody for subscribing to my channel over the years. It's been a few years, 4 years, and I've got 100,000 subscribers. So I'm getting one of those fancy silver plaques. Should be coming in the mail soon. Well, delivery. All right, so I've got some Glidden Premium. I'm going to spread out. Go put the dark red on the bottom. Right about here. I think I'll put the metallic green next. I'll put that one's peridot. It's a craft paint folk art metallic. Medium red by Amsterdam. Next, this one's very thick, so I'm going to add a little bit of water. And then Meaden pale green on top. Cell activator. See if I can move this down a bit more. Whoa, too much. I'm just debating if I should use my breath. I'm just trying to. Maybe I'll try my mini blower. Interesting. Now the fun part. All right. Okay. Oh, it looks pretty. I don't want too much to come off up there. push it more that way, see if more comes off that side, if it's closer to the edge. That's better. I think I don't want to spin it too much more. There. Okay. Oops, whoa. We don't want that to happen. I'm going to leave this one. There you go. Looks pretty. Kind of Christmassy. Thanks for watching. I'll put the dried result at the end. Hi everyone. Well, this dried really good. It's very pretty. There you go. Thanks for watching.